Thanks for joining us on TVC News at noon. Ahead of the planned protest, state governors and law enforcement agencies are ramping up security to ensure the safety of lives and property. The authorities are also intensifying dialogue and hopeful that the protest may not hold, and if it holds, it should be without incident. The Inspector General of Police held an emergency security meeting with heads of paramilitary agencies to map out strategies on how to effectively protect the lives and property of citizens during the planned nationwide protest. Celestina Area reports.
Security personnel will be given body cameras, which will be worn on the days of the protest. The Inspector General of Police says it is to ensure accountability on the part of the security agencies. The rights of Nigerians cannot be undermined, but the country cannot afford a repeat of the NSAS protest. Protesters are advised to be peaceful in their demonstrations to ensure protection from the police.
We'll be sharing intelligence, we'll be discussing the roles that each agency will be playing in the event of a protest.
The IGP says he's meeting with the senior advocate of Nigeria, Adegboruwa, over his letter written to the police as solicitors of the Take It Back movement group over their request of police protection during
loss of lives and property as witnessed during the NSAS protest in 2020. A group of protesters led by senior advocate of Nigeria, Olu Adegboruwa, rejected the proposal by the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetoku, for confined protest. The IGP suggested that the protest be confined in identified locations and advised against street rallies. IGP Egbetoku mentioned that the police can provide adequate security if the protest is restricted to certain locations rather than a procession. Human rights lawyer Femi Falana, a senior advocate of Nigeria who represented the Nigerian Bar Association, other lawyers, civil society organizations were among those in the meeting.